Hello everyone, Install Easy here. Today we're going to show you how to quickly install TeamViewer on your Windows operating system. TeamViewer allows you to remote into and control any PC globally. Let's open up Microsoft Edge, double click, type TeamViewer. Found the first download, click on it. Do not use anyone that says add, keep scrolling. Here's the official one, as you can see. Click on it. And let's use the 64-bit version. Click on it and we're going to wait for it. We could run the installation from here. However, close this out, click on File Explorer, click on Downloads, and double click TeamViewer Setup. Let's close this out and select it, leave it as default installation, accept and next. Grant permissions, so yes, and it's extracting. It's installing. It's almost there. And just accept, check mark, continue. And this is the TeamViewer interface, and it automatically routes you to the how to use TeamViewer article on their website, which is very helpful. You can just go through it on how to use TeamViewer. All right, we're going to close this out, and the final thing we're going to do, pin to taskbar. So right click and click pin to taskbar. It will always be there. Alright, so that's all for today. Leave a comment on installs you would like to see on this channel. From the team here at Install Easy, see you next time.